Alright, what is going on, you guys? It's your boy, Young Slat. Today, we're gonna be out here with the homies, rapping the MR2. We got YB and Marceline out here.
Yeah, Sus Alexis, you already know the vibes.
Sus Alexis. Yeah, we got the vibes out. I'm gonna pull up to Walmart, buy some rap. Probably gonna need some rollers, hopefully, if homeboy Alexis can film properly.
Oh yeah, I got you, bro. I got you.
Alright, for sure. He said he could film. So yeah, probably be back to cinematics.
Mizzy Mari got beats.
I just pulled up to the gas station. Need to put gas in the car. Bro, my car be looking fuego in this lot. I can't even front with y'all. Hit him with it. Ooh. Yeah, I pulled up this fool, that fool. Yeah, we're about to hit up Walmart right now. A couple more rollers coming in, hopefully. Getting a little dark outside.
Hey, we're about to hit McDonald's too, look.
Oh. Big boy hours? Is it big boy hours? Big boy hours, yes sir. Nah, we ain't eating McDonald's. We just had Jack in the Box. Yeah. Alright, but yeah. VCR Walmart.
Wait. We're gonna Gap people. That's all you need to know.
Are we though? Are we though?
I don't know.
The Jetta? This Jetta's about to fucking Gap people. Everyone comment if we should get a pair of wheels.
Hey, where are we gonna send them? Where are we gonna send them to let them know?
100 likes and I'll buy tire wheel set on the spot. 100 likes.
100 likes. Y'all heard it here. Y'all heard it here. For sure.
Alright, we're right here filming for Young Slat. Behind the scenes. Nah, I'm just playing. Right here with Marcelino.
Some rolling clips of the MR2.
Rolling clips of MR2. So hopefully Julio uploads this, but you know, just it's gonna be a fun day. We're recording, trying this something new, out of our comfort zone. But hey, what do you think of it?
It's pretty fun, not gonna lie. Hopefully Julio uploads this clip. If not,
then it is what it is. Alright then, catch you guys.
We in Walmart. This is a wrap I went with actually. I don't know, to me, it looks kind of fresh, but I feel like it kind of gives off a girly vibe. I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, we got the tape right there. Yeah, gotta pull up drumstick style, nigga. Alright, little quick update. Got the bag secured. Yeah, probably hit home. We're about to wrap the hood first to see how that looks. Hopefully it looks fresh. I'm trying to fucking get this shit. Trying to make it look nice. Yeah, see y'all then.
we're about to be there all night.
Back.
We're about to be doing this shit all night.
All fucking night. Bro, the video that I watched, they said it took them 10 hours.
10 hours? I don't know about that one.
I know, that's what I said. But I feel like there was only one guy working on the car though.
There's gonna be like 4 of us, so it can't be that bad. But alright, we'll pick the camera when we get back.
We back at the house finally. They already fucking started with the wrap over here. Pretty, I think they already fucked up the first piece. Yeah, fuck it up. Hey, Zeus. This is the real DIY beanie. Now you have to get everything, nigga, because if there's any air that goes under this, it's fucked.
I'm just holding it. Can you watch your language, Julio? I don't appreciate that.
I appreciate you.
I'm just holding it in place. You see how they do rap videos, how they release tension? So we do it like very, so it like folds perfectly on. So you're a beast.
Oh yeah, yeah, I know.
But they do that with 3M.
Yeah, why fucking?
This is
well, this is like
DIY back.
It's still the same. It's the same
3M.
principle. The same principle.
Walmart 3M.
Yeah, you just cut a little slit right here and you should be able to go over. Oh yeah, does it go for the? Uh-oh. Fucking lines of symmetry. Let me see, where's the tape at?
Oh, I have it right here. I just hate that you don't be like clean with gears and all that. Like, these are like, you never plays the game.
I apologize in advance for my camera, my footage.
Okay, a lot of it will probably get it out, not gonna lie. Alright, and we back. We actually have done the hood, thankfully. It's kind of shit, dog shit. My side's dog shit. We got a beaner over here doing the rest of it.
Do my side.
Yeah, that was his side. Yeah, we're gonna have him do the headlights for now, and then me and Marcelino over here are gonna work on the hood. So yeah, pick it up when we probably have the hood done, or when something else pops up that's pretty shitty. Alright, so we back. We have done this amount of stuff to the car. We're actually on a break. Slammed up eating some pizza right now. We have the roof, kind of getting the roof done. Got the hood done. Lights are on their way. I don't even know how this is going to even work. It's taking way longer than I thought, bro. I'm not even going to lie.
Like, you guys doing this like 3 hours?
I'm hungry. He's not feeding me, bro.
Oh yeah, I just gave you a pizza, bitch. Yeah. Nothing, chilling up. Oh, fucking gassed. My legs are low key. My legs are down in the dumps right now. About to finish this shit right now. Be right back. Alright, we're back with day 2 of the process. Sunday we kind of fucked around, and then Saturday we literally did nothing. I mean, we finished up the hood, not the roof. Got both the lights down. These low-key look sick. Look like little Christmas presents, not gonna lie. Got the boy Jesus here, lighting it up with the wraps. Honestly, without Jesus, I would not know what the fuck I'd be doing right now, because I don't know what the fuck. He's like fucking out here, the rap guru and shit. Yeah, probably have an update soon, because yeah, this is a way longer process than I fucking thought. So yeah, be right back. Alright, so we back. We about to give this a test drive, because yeah, this is low-key sketchy. I don't even know, but I feel like we did a good tape job, sort of. But this low-key looks sick as fuck. I can't even front. The roof is probably my sketchiest part, because there's a lot of air bubbles right about here. It low-key looks fucking sick though. I can't even front. Even the headlights, bro. Look at that, fucking clean, bro. But yeah, we gotta go for a test drive to see if any of this ever falls off, or if it does fall off. Because if it does, then we might be fucked. So yeah, we'll be right back. We went on a little test drive to see how it would fucking work out, and as you can tell, yeah, the roof kind of came flying off on us. It got absolutely fucked up. I mean, the part that me and Jesus did really didn't fuck up. The part that fucking Marcelino did fucked up. But yeah, other than that, I mean, the hood got a lot more air. So there's a lot of air bubbles that we have in there. So yeah, I don't know what to do now. I'm probably gonna end up not taping the hood. I mean the roof. And if anything, we'll probably end up doing the back. We'll see how that goes from there. The doors. Oh yeah, the doors. I low-key want to do the doors. I think that'd be sick as fuck. Do the doors, and yeah. The doors and the spoiler. We'll see you right there. Alright, quick little update. Got the door done. Door actually looking pretty clean. Can't front with y'all. Roof's still gone. Hood's good. Caught more air bubbles. Hood's pretty good. We got the gas cap down. This thing looks fire. I can't front. Got that. This part's good. This is still fucked up. There's a senior dumbass over there. See if I can get him. Why don't you get in? Do a trick for the one time.
Damn, bro. Shit. You do a trick.
Fuck you, bitch. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. It took us at least what, like 3 hours to just do the door.
Yeah.
Basically. Well, we were finishing up the
top and it flew off.
The roof, and then it flew off. Yeah, I think if we do. We're gonna do it again. Probably tape it down way better than we did last time. And I think it'll stay down.
Marcelino did it. Fucking horrible.
Marcelo did absolute ass. But yeah, I think what we're planning on doing is just the whole top of the car, like including this, and the wing. Doing all of that and just leaving the fenders and the side skirts. Because I don't think I want to take up the side skirts necessarily. Cause that should be hard as fuck too. Or do you think the side skirts would be hard?
No.
It's just getting them off, huh?
I mean,
because
yeah,
if we took them off, it'd be easy.
it's just that they bend so much that the Christmas wrap would have bent with it, so it would just rip.
I feel like I'd scrape it off too.
Yeah. That's, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anywhere you go, you're gonna scrape.
Yeah. Might just fucking end up. I don't know. Do you think we might do the bumpers too or no?
I was thinking maybe we could do the bumper. They would kind of look hard.
The bumper would look fresh as fuck. No lie. The bumper would look fresh as fuck. Yeah, we could take out the bumpers.
Oh yeah, we could do the bumper. Hopefully it doesn't rip, but
I highly doubt it'll rip.
we could do the bumper.
Both bumpers?
Front bumper, I don't know though.
Front bumper's 2 pieces. Or 3 pieces actually. Yeah. Prettier folks. We gotta do this whole fucking, just not the fenders. I think it would look kind of weird without the fenders, but I think at the same time it would look kind of dope because my car is already kind of Christmas themed as it is. Got the red and white wheels. Got the red car. White and red and black. I wanted to look for a wrap that's kind of different than what my car color was. I was looking for like a black or a purple because realistically those are kind of the only 2 colors I wanted to see on my car. But yeah, other than that, I think that's it for today. Might come back another day. Well, we'll come back another day. Finish this bitch up. Hopefully soon, because this is getting very tedious and I'm getting tired of it. So yeah, see y'all when we pick this back up the next day.
"お前はもう